gonna be like, yeah, what's up, little nigga? I'm gonna be like,
Funny. Okay.
no, time is
Bitch, what the fuck you said?
No, this time. Yeah. And then another dude, bitch. I'm sorry, I was just like, I was just making myself warm. Yeah, bitch, you better make it.
See that?
Bitch, what the fuck you said? What you got down there? Bitch.
Make you talk to yourself like that dude was.
You ever talk to yourself? Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? Oh no, bitch, you had her in my house? In my house? Well, I was her. Man, shut the fuck up and whoop your ass. Bitch, whoop your ass! I was gonna get my brother to kill him, then on you, boo-boo! Bitch, go fucking get him, you old ugly ass bitch. Ugly? I had 2 of your babies and I'm ugly? I'm ugly, no way. Get the fuck out of my house. Out.
Why was he
Now.
playing the girl?
Pronto. Huh?
Why was he playing the girl?
Why didn't you let Bria finish? Shut up.
Hey, fuck you.
Anyways, get out of my house. Man, this ain't your motherfucking house. I'll pay the fucking... I'll pay the fucking rent. Get your ass out of my motherfucking house. Bitch, who the fuck you talk to? I ain't your motherfucking mom. You don't talk to me like that. Bitch, you ain't gotta be my motherfucking mama for being even talking like that. You know what, bitch? Get out. Get out. Bitch. Ah! Bitch, just